Listen closely to the dawn chorus, and you'll find that many feathered creatures are natural mathematicians. Researchers have discovered that birds often repeat phrases in their calls following precise numerical patterns, such as Fibonacci sequences or geometric progressions. For example, a nightingale may repeat a note 3 times, then 5, then 8, numbers that match the famous Fibonacci sequence found in nature. These structured patterns aren't random. They help birds attract mates, defend territory, and even recognize each other by unique vocal fingerprints.